Hey everyone! Welcome back to another episode of Gameplay Classic. In this video, we are going to be learning how to log into your Roblox application. To log into Roblox app, first of all open the Roblox application from your app drawer and from the main home page, click on the login button. In the sign in area, you can go ahead and enter your username, email address, or phone number associated with Roblox. Enter any one information in the text box and enter your password on the next field. Click on the login button once you are done and you will be able to log into your Roblox account. So that is how you can easily log into Roblox app in just a few minutes. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.